What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek video. It is the same day where I tried skiing and these guys tried snowboarding. But now we swapped back. We're on our respective boards. We're on South Peak. Well, right now we're going up Bear for a little warm-up run, and we're hyped to just be back on our correct
feels
planks.
like home.
Feels like home.
First time on skis for me this season.
Yeah, he hasn't been out this season, but it's sick. We're hyped. But before we get into riding, I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. So if you could hit subscribe, that'd be dope. I'm uploading daily, so SnowSkateShred every single day. They've subscribed. It's only because I forced them though. Anyhow, blink twice if you need help. But yeah, we're gonna have a quick little sesh over here. We're all pretty tired, but we just wanted to get some more riding in. And it's gonna be fun. Yeah, let's go have some fun, boys. Let's go. You. First run, boys. First run, well, like millionth run of today, but. Oh! One leg, Andy. Look at him go. So fun. That's so fun. Holy crap. All right, we just finished the first run. That was the most intense first run I've ever taken. Okay, these boys over here on their 2 planks, 4 total, just freaking zoomed, and I had to keep up. It was so fun though. Holy crap. We're gonna hit up south now. No idea how conditions are. Over on Bear, it's the same thing as yesterday, just like granulated ice and doesn't feel like snow. Yeah, we're going up south now. Probably take a run or two and I'll get Anthony to hit me with some follow cams. So let's go back to shredding the gnar.
SnowSkateShred.
Yes, that's true. Let's go. First of all, thanks to Ant for filming. He's the best. Second of all, I got bodied like 3 times that run.
Park City population, Nick.
Yes. Sadly, I'm alone. But yeah, conditions are sketchy today, but no excuses. You know, you just gotta get bodied. Anyway, we're taking a bear run. It's gonna be sick. They're gonna go fast. I'm gonna film them go fast because my ass is grass. So.
Yeah, and sometimes you gotta go fast.
You do. You gotta go fast. All right, peace out. We're gonna go do that. Dude, it's snowing right now.
It's
Slightly. I don't know if you guys probably can't see it, but there's a couple snowflakes. There's like 5 or 6 snowflakes.
No, it's not.
And we're off the mountain now though. We are so sore, so tired.
I think I have 30% of my toenails remaining.
Only 30% of
Only
them.
30%.
But who needs toenails anyway? What? There's a smudge on my lens. But yeah, today was sick. Last video, I learned how to ski. These guys learned how to snowboard. This video, we swapped back, but we were too tired to ride for very long. And honestly, conditions weren't great. Yeah, that's it, really.
Good day.
You have anything?
Storm.
There is. There's snow. Look at the snow.
Like, should I stay for the fresh pow now?
Fresh pow. No,
This is crystals.
There's no way this is an actual.
Fresh pow.
This is.
Wait,
crystals.
look, it's sticking. It's sticking. Look at my pants.
Why?
My pants. It's
These are
snowing.
crystals. I don't know about powder.
What is this? Oh, it's so weird.
Very small.
It's coming down hard though. Wow. Of course, this happens once we're done riding.
Sailor sky in the morning.
True. There was red sky in the morning. Damn. But yeah, that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Almost.
SnowSkateShred.
He almost got it.
I don't know that. I don't
Maybe
know the
next
gist
year.
yet.
Dude, you gotta. He doesn't watch my whole video.
don't watch
I know now. Wow. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna leave. Goodbye.
Peace.